Have you ever wondered why aromatherapists usually advise against the oral ingestion of essential oils? Today, we'll delve into the reasons behind this recommendation, exploring the potency of these oils, the potential risk of toxicity, absorption variability, possible gastrointestinal disturbances, interactions with medications, and safer alternatives. Imagine a drop of essential oil as a concentrated burst of plant power. These oils are so potent, in fact, that when swallowed, their intensity can prove too much for the delicate tissues lining our digestive tract, leading to irritation or even damage. It's like using a power drill when a simple screwdriver would do the job without causing harm. Now consider toxicity. Just as too much of a good thing can be harmful, consuming essential oils in large quantities or without proper dilution can lead to toxicity. This can manifest as anything from an upset stomach to severe organ damage or even poisoning. Yes, even nature's gifts can have a dark side if misused. Next, let's talk about absorption. When we ingest essential oils, their absorption through our digestive system is unpredictable and often less efficient than inhalation or topical application. This erratic absorption can mean we don't experience the full therapeutic benefits of the oils, while the risk of adverse reactions still looms large. Ingesting essential oils can also play havoc with our gut flora, disrupting the natural balance and causing digestive discomfort. Symptoms like nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea can occur, and those with sensitive stomachs or pre-existing gastrointestinal conditions are particularly at risk. Moreover, when essential oils enter our system orally, they can interact with certain medications, potentially compromising their effectiveness or triggering harmful side effects. It's akin to two incompatible dance partners trying to move in sync. The result can be far from harmonious. But don't despair. There are safer and more effective ways to harness the healing power of essential oils. Inhalation offers a direct route into the bloodstream via the lungs, while topical application can deliver the oils to specific areas of the body with a lower risk of systemic side effects. In conclusion, while essential oils are a treasure trove of potential health benefits, they must be used with caution and respect. Aromatherapists champion this careful approach, typically advising against oral ingestion due to the associated risks and the limited therapeutic benefits compared to other methods of application. Remember, it's not just about experiencing the benefits of essential oils, but doing so safely and responsibly.